Hello everyone. Welcome back to Coin World Explorer. If you love rare coins, hidden values, and surprising collectibles, you're in the right place. Today, we're exploring a small coin with a big story. The 1967 South Africa 10-cent coin, a coin that can be worth up to $58 in the collector market. Yes, a coin that once bought everyday items is now catching the attention of collectors worldwide. So make sure to watch until the end, because I'll show you why this coin is valuable, how to identify it, what affects its price, and how much collectors are paying today. Let's dive in. The 1967 10-cent coin was issued by South Africa during an important historical period. In 1961, South Africa became a republic and introduced a decimal currency system, replacing the old British-style money. By 1967, the country was producing coins that reflected its national identity, culture, and economy. This coin represents South Africa's early decimal era, a time of major political and economic change, a shift toward modern coinage. Coins from this era are especially interesting to collectors because they mark a turning point in history. Now let's talk about the technical details. Collectors care a lot about these. Country: South Africa. Year: 1967. Denomination: 10 cents. Metal composition: copper nickel. Weight: approximately 5 grams. Diameter: about 21 millimeters. Shape: round. Edge: smooth. This coin was made for everyday circulation, but certain examples survived in excellent condition, which is where the real value comes in. Obverse: front side. The front of the coin features the coat of arms of South Africa. This design symbolizes national unity, strength, government authority. Around the design, you'll see the country name written in Afrikaans and English, reflecting South Africa's bilingual heritage. Reverse: backside. The reverse displays the number 10, the word cents, the year 1967. The design is clean and simple, which makes high-grade coins very attractive to collectors. Now let's answer the big question. Why would a 10-cent coin be worth $58? Here are the key reasons. Condition: most important. Coins graded as UNC, uncirculated, MS 63 to MS 65. Can sell between $30 to $58 or even more. If the coin has no scratches, sharp details, original shine, collectors will pay a premium. Collector demand. South African coins from the 1960s are popular among world coin collectors, African history collectors, decimal era specialists. Even though many were minted, very few survived in perfect condition after decades of circulation. Here's a quick value breakdown. Circulated condition: $1 to $3. Extra fine: XF $5 to $10. About uncirculated: AU $15 to $25. Uncirculated: MS $30 to $58. Professional grading can increase value significantly. If you think you have this coin: 1. Check the year, 1967. 2. Look for clear details and minimal wear. 3. Avoid cleaning the coin. This lowers value. 4. Consider professional grading if it looks uncirculated. The 1967 South Africa 10-cent coin may look ordinary, but in the collector world, it could be a hidden treasure worth up to $58. This proves once again that small coins can carry big value and even bigger history. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button. Subscribe to Coin World Explorer. Comment below if you own this coin or want another coin reviewed. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next exploration of the coin world.